Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is x to power x minus 3 to power 2x plus 162 equal to 0 when x greater than 0, and we will solve this question for this x. Now in order to solve this question, first we should take common to form this expression, and we will get, after taking common to form this expression, is 3 to power 2 into x plus 81, and the other part of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step, this 3 square will convert into 9, and which have the power x plus 81, and the other part of the equation will remain same. So our new equation will be equal to x to power x is minus 9 to power x plus 81 equal to 0. Now in the next step, this minus 9 is to power x plus 81 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into plus 9 is to power x plus 81, and the other side of the equation will be equal to x is to power x. Now this 9 is to power x plus 81 can be written as 9 is to power x into 9 is to power 81, because both power can be written individually from the basic rule of algebra with the same base. So here we apply the same rule, and our new equation will be equal to x is to power x equal to 9 is to power x into 9 is to power 81. Now in the next step, this 9 is to power x, which is in multiplication with 9 is to power 81, will go to the other side of the equation, and it will divide with this value, which is x is to power x, and we will get x is to power x over 9 is to power x is equal to 9 is to power 81. Now we can write this expression as x over 9 is to power x. It means that this here we apply the basic rule of algebra, because from the basic rule of algebra, if two different bases having the same power and which are existing in if two different bases are in division and having the same power, then it can be write with one power and with one bracket. So here we convert the same value with that rule, and we get x over 9 overall power x, and the other side of the equation we multiply and divide this 9 with this 9 with 9, and we will get, when this 9 will multiply with 9 we should get 81, and when with this 9 will divide with 9 we should get over 9, and overall power 81 will remain same. So this value convert into 81 over 9 overall power 81. Now in the next step, we should compare both sides of the equation, and we get the value of x, which will be equal to 81, because this x is equal to 81. So here when we apply the both side of the equation, or we will compare both side of the equation, we should get the value of x, which is 81, and this is the value for x, which is 81 for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.